Hi everyone, I'm driving along minding my own business thinking, aren't I lucky to be able to live in my wife's house? And all of a sudden an error code pops up on the screen. Let's take a look and I'll explain. So this is the error code that I see on my Honda, yours would be different, and it means anything at all. So pgm.f1, as you can see on the list, anything. So I have to go to the garage and then they plug in their laptops to see exactly what's gone wrong. So here the diagnostic is either the battery sensor, I think, but it's definitely going to be number 4 glow coil. The first thing the mechanic said was turn off the eco setting because it doesn't save you money on short journeys. It does on long, but not on short. If you're retired and you just go from home to the supermarket or into town, or even worse, if you're doing a school run and then going into town or going to work, that ruins diesel engines. They're not designed for that. When it comes to town driving, he said, if you have a sports mode, use that one because that makes the revs go a little bit faster and the engine likes it. If you go on a long journey, then use the eco mode to the destination and then drive on the way back. And the final word of advice is what every mechanic will say: you have to change all the glow coils and get it serviced and checked regularly to avoid breakdowns and unnecessary bills. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and take care.